Hello Toastie fans, here's another great toastie for you to have during your lunch, or maybe it's a late snack. This one's salted beef with spring onion and red Leicester cheese. This is a lovely toastie. I really enjoyed this one. I did pile it high with some meat though. Alright, onto the toastie. Lay out your bread onto a hot toasted sandwich maker. Oh, sorry, put some oil on your hot toasted sandwich maker first. Then lay out your bread. And then sit back and build up that sandwich. So we've laid on some cheese. If you're wondering, I'm not actually making two of the same here. One is a vegetarian version, which basically means I've left the beef out. That one's for Mrs. Toastie Chef. All right, let's go on with the toastie. So some spring onions there. And as you can imagine, what comes next is the beef. Now I layer on this beef quite thick. Very tasty. I used a good half of the packet making this one sandwich, which perhaps isn't the healthiest thing to do, but it's very tasty. We are stuck in lockdown, so it's worth having a tasty sandwich for your lunch. There you go. So I got some deli salted beef. Really nice. Don't want the vegetarian to miss out, so I'm just adding a few more spring onions to their toasted sandwich. There, top it with some more cheese. These sliced red Leicesters go really well. They melt really well, but they're lovely and gooey when they're done. And close that up, cook for 10 minutes. Look at that. Lovely. Look at those golden lines on it. Gorgeous toasted sandwich there. So I'm going to take it off and cut it inside to show you. So remember, this one was beef, spring onion, red Leicester cheese toasted sandwich. Got to be one of my favourites, this one. See the steam escaping there. It's pretty cold here in the UK at the moment. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. That gooey cheese. Lovely flavour. Some spring onion in there. The hit of the beef as well. Really good. Give that a go today. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Would you prefer meat or veggie toasted sandwich? Let me know that in the comments as well. Always good to hear from you. And one more thing, if you could just hit subscribe and like, that would be fantastic. Until next time, bye.